Welcome back. The High Court has granted bail to 3 accused chief officers in Canacona building collapse case. Former chief officers Deepak Desai, Pradeep Naik and Prashant Shirodkar have been granted bail on personal bail bonds of 1 lakh rupees each and 2 sureties of the same amount. But the High Court has barred them from entering Canacona municipal area until charge sheet is filed in the case. 31 labourers died in the building collapse tragedy that shook the state on 4th January.
After hearing day-long arguments, the High Court on Monday granted bails to 3 former chief officers of Canacona municipality, Deepak Desai, Pradeep Naik and Prashant Shirodkar. While granting the bail, High Court has put conditions to all of them that all 3 accused will have to furnish personal bail bond of 1 lakh rupees each. 2 sureties of same amount, 1 surety should be local. Accused cannot visit Canacona municipal area until charge sheet is filed. Accused cannot leave Goa until charge sheet is filed. During the hearing, counsel of accused CEO Deepak Desai contended that he had issued construction's license for the building as Town and Country Planning had approved the project. Counsel of accused CEO Pradeep Naik contended that he had renewed the construction license as construction was going on as per the previous license. Counsel of accused CEO Prashant Shirodkar contended that he issued the occupancy certificates on the basis of recommendation letter written by the municipal engineer. The High Court has also directed all the accused to present before the investigating officer whenever required. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Election for Panji Mayor and Deputy Mayor posts is likely to be held on 22nd March. Panji CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado is trying to secure another term as CCP Mayor, while Councillor Kabir Makhija will replace Bento Lorena as Deputy Mayor. Both are from Babush Montserrat's panel, while the BJP camp is still undecided on its candidates for the key posts.
Babush and BJP-backed panels are gearing for Mayor and Deputy Mayor elections. Sources inform that election will likely to be held on 22nd March. Surendra Furtado is all set to claim the post of mayor once again. Councillor Kabir Makhija is a front-runner for the post of deputy mayor. Sources from Babush panel claims that within a tenure of 1 year, Mayor Surendra Furtado succeeded in getting funds for CCP from the centre. He has undertaken various developmental works in the jurisdiction of capital city. Including Tony Rodriguez, BJP-backed panel has 14 councillors. Panel is yet to finalize its candidates for the post of mayor and deputy mayor. Last CCP mayor and deputy mayor posts election was in controversy. Babush-backed panel supported Surendra Furtado and Benito Lorena had won the election by 16 votes, while BJP-backed panel supported councillor Tony Rodriguez and Shubham Chodankar lost the poll with 14 votes. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Lifeguard service provider company Drishti has not received any money from Goa government for their services. Now, Drishti has filed a petition before the High Court seeking direction to release their payments. The High Court has issued notice to the state government.
After a long legal battle and many rounds of tendering process, Drishti had won the tender to provide lifeguard service in coastal areas of Goa. But Drishti, in a petition filed before the High Court, has contended that Goa government has failed to pay the contract amount for its services. In reply, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni said that Drishti is in contract with state government as it was declared a successful bidder. Advocate General stated that he has no idea why payments has not been released to Drishti services. After hearing both sides, the High Court issued notice to the state government and directed to file reply till next date of hearing, that is 18th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.